Code Editor enhances your .NET applications with robust code editing capabilities, primarily focusing on C#, Visual Basic, TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, and XML. WinForms and WPF TextEdit controls offer an experience comparable to Visual Studio's text editor and provide features such as syntax highlighting, code completion, code outlining, visual indicators for error markers, bookmarks, and more. Code Editor is designed to work with a range of syntax parsers, from generic parsers primarily focusing on syntax highlighting to those that provide comprehensive syntax and semantic analysis of the text using industrial-grade API. These parsers provide advanced code editing features, including code completion, outlining, highlighting syntax errors, and code refactoring. Code Editor can be used independently or integrated with Scripter to edit and debug scripts. It can also be combined with Form Designer to edit design timecode or XAML.